Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, my baby is sold. She found a new home, so we will be installing her today. We're just getting her prepped up for when her mommy gets here. So it's a beautiful day outside. I hope everyone is enjoying the weather. Today is Friday. So guys, it's the weekend. I hope you guys turn up. It's my client's birthday, so we're gonna install this. This is a 13 by 4, 10-inch deep wave wig that I colored jet black. So you guys stick around and wait for the install. It's basically a watch me work. So if I'm not talking, never mind that. But anywho, this is some MAC foundation that I'm using to color the lace so it can fit her to her complexion. So guys, stick around, enjoy the video. Remember to leave a like on the video to get me out there in the algorithms, guys. Yeah, I just want to get pushed out a little more, so I would appreciate it if you guys just hit the like button at the end of the video or leave an E for effort in the comment section. And if you have any questions, just also leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to handle it for you. So if you're wondering if I sell my wigs, I do. I do make custom orders, and also I'll be giving away a couple of wigs over the summer, so you guys make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned. But yes, I do sell wigs. I do customize wigs especially to the customer. So if you're interested, just hit me up in the comment section, or you can email me at aliciahandlesit@gmail.com and we can start your unit. So what I'm doing here, I'm just placing the band inside of the unit so my model will be able to wear this unit glueless. So if you guys pay attention, you can actually see where I place the rubber band, and maybe you can add it to your own technique. So guys, remember, leave a like if you like what you see, and E for effort in the comment section. Let's go. And I would also like to add that most of my viewers are not subscribed. So once again, please hit the subscribe button. It's free, it costs nothing. Handlers, when you are sewing this part, make sure because you're actually sewing the band on the lace, so make sure when you're sewing the band, you're not going like deep into the lace. You just go like really softly through the lace, so if you feel like parting that area at some point, it will not show. I promise you. I can show you guys that in another video, but if you follow my technique, you will not lose. The band will be perfect and you will not see it or feel it through the lace. So as you guys can see, her new mom is here. I'm about to put her on. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, again, leave a like on this video, and I'll say goodbye to you guys at the end. But if you want to order a wig, Alicia Handles It is where it's at. It will have a very snug fit, and it will last you for a good amount of time, a couple of years, if you get good quality here. So keep watching, and I'll see you guys at the end. This video is not very long, so I hope you guys enjoy. So here we are at the end. I hope you guys once again enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like on this video, and remember, if you're not subscribed, to subscribe. My name is Alicia Handles It, and I do a lot of things on my channels, beauty wise and tutorial wise. So join the squad and we'll love on you over here. See you in the next video. Mwah.